Gornel gynta'r gêm, Luke Wall yn ei chymryd i ar ei droed chwith. Hannar cliriad gan Sutton! A'r ergyd i mewn gan Kieran Smith. Capten y Bala yn sgorio am y tro cynta tymor hwn. Ac ar ôl chwarter awr ar faes tegid, mae'r tîm cartra ar y blaen. Tîn y wal i'r Bala, Ismail efo'r gig tro yma! A Celland Absalon yn goro bod yn effro, yn hedfan i'w chwith i wneud yr arbediad. Henry Cowens yn rhoi'r arwydd. Taro Bell yn lletraws tuag at gwrs cosbi'r Bala. A mae'n gic o'r smotyn. Dominic Smith gafodd ei dynnu i'r llawr. Ac a Mr Williams, y dyfarnwr, yn y fan ar lle. Louis Robles, cyn chwaraewr o Bala, i gymryd y gic. Syth lawr y canol, ac efo 2 funud i fynd yn y hanner cynta. Mae'r Drenewydd yn gyfartal. Luke Wall ar draws at Josh Ukek. Ukek efo'r ergyd. Iddi ar y targed. Neu allai fod wedi bod yn lletwyth i Andy Wycherley efo'r tir yn lyb.
You know, confirmed your place in Ewrop for the 9th time since 2013. You've got to be happy with that.
Yeah, absolutely outstanding, you know, for everybody. Nigel Aykroyd, David Aykroyd, Ruth Crump, and my staff are outstanding. Steve Fisher, Ryan Valentine, Nick Jones, Steve Crompton, and Fiona Evans. They've done a lot this season. You know, it's been a tough season for a few of the staff with a few illnesses and families and stuff. So for us to get over the line and everybody pull strong when people have needed a bit of help and stuff, they've been outstanding. I can't thank them enough as friends and work colleagues in football.
Wasn't the prettiest of games tonight. I think it was a bit scrappy at times. It wasn't our best performance, but the most important thing was getting the point, or obviously improving what Carnarvon's result was. So we're delighted. That's 8 out of 11 for me and 9 out of 12 for the club. So yeah, it means the world to the club and to myself, and everyone's buzzing in there. Happy to have scored my first of the season. I think that means I've scored one every year for Bala, so that was the most important thing. And obviously, I was gutted to give the penalty away. I was a bit disappointed with that. But we got the result in the end, and that's all the main thing.
From my point of view and the players, I think it's another point. We haven't been beaten. We didn't look like we were going to concede. Obviously, the goal's scruffy from the corner. I think we should have done better than that. But in open play, I don't think that they really troubled us. And I think probably on reflection, we had the better chances to go and score the goal.
Home draw in the European qualification match is crucial. It's a one-off game, so if you can get that home advantage, it's massive. We've shown today, away to Bala, away to Connors last week, and at home to Tireth week before, that we're very competitive at the moment. We went through our little bad spell previously, but we seem to be getting a little bit of form momentum now, so hopefully that can continue to the playoffs.
You know, we lost the calibre of Chris Venables, who no doubt for me is the best player that's ever played in the Welsh Premier League. And Paul Rutherford left, Anthony Kay left, Dave Edwards, Welsh international, and we've replaced them with a couple of lads from Manchester, 1 or 2 from Liverpool, and a few local ones from Wrexham and stuff. And for us to turn it round, and but people have got to remember that we didn't win a game in the last 13 games last season. So the lads have done absolutely outstanding, and they're still fighting till the end today to try and win the game. So I can't thank them enough as a group, as a club, and everything. It's an achievement for everybody, not just me as a manager. I couldn't do it without my staff and the players and the committee. It's a great achievement. But I'd say this is my best ever achievement in football. People say about the Welsh Cup and stuff, but what we've had to deal with this season with the rebuild and other stuff off the pitch and stuff, this is my best ever achievement ever.